What's up, everyone? We're back with another video, and turn this down. In today's video, we're gonna be opening up Pro Packs. Just off the notification, it says purchase Pro Packs and Red Zone Packs for a chance at Michael Irvin items to use in his Legend set. Plus, be on the lookout for the legendary Running Lot now in Pro Packs and Red Zone Packs. So, I'm gonna go to the store, and we're just gonna open up a few Pro Packs. Not too many. I don't have 200,000 coins to be spent on a Red Zone pack. Here we go. That's a decent card right there. I'll take that. 82 to linebacker, Wesley Woodward. I don't know how many Pro Packs I'm going to be opening, but just hope we get something decent and hope it doesn't crash right here. Oh, let's go ahead and update the team. I'll take that. Surprising 81 actually updated my team. That's sort of depressing, but can we pull an elite? That is the question. Oh, we got a kick returner. I'm not sure it'll sell. I know 2% punters sell for a lot. I'm gonna go down to like 75,000 worth of Pro Packs and just see if we can get an elite. If we get an elite, we'll make back all the money. So far, we're not making back the money that we're spending, so definitely. There we go. We got the punt returner, Jacoby Jones. So we got a kick returner and a punt returner, but those don't go for much. I need something like a kicker or a punter to update the team. Please road to the playoffs, dudes. Whatever, I'm addicted to open these things, so I want an elite. Update the team. They want me to stop opening up Pro Packs to kinda give me something good out of this. Come on, give me an elite. All I want is one elite and I'll stop. Even though they probably don't want me to stop. Oh my goodness, look at all these road to the playoff players. We're updating the team good today. We don't want that, come on. We're wasting a lot of coins here. We're gonna waste 100k worth of Pro Packs. Another punter that I don't need. Come on, give me a punter. Give me like an 80 punter. That'll definitely. Half patch I don't need. Can we pull an elite? Nope. We'll open up one more after this. I'm pulling elite, and then that's that. Last Pro Pack right here. Just cost me. I just spent 100k on Pro Pack, so. And we haven't got anything to Legend set. And we got Golden State Punt Turner. Okay. I want to see really quickly what these punt returners and kick returners are going for. So, let's see how much the punt returner. He's not even known for like 5,000 selling, 9,000 not even selling. He's like an 8,000 coin guy, maybe. We'll type in. Six K's not even going, so he's 5k right there. Yeah, so he definitely did not make back the money, and I spent 100k coins with the Christmas event coming around, so. We actually have enough, though, for a 10 trophy pack, so I'll do that quickly for the video ends. I guess, you know. This stuff is risky, because you never know what you're going to get. If we can get some elite trophies, then it's definitely well wasted money. all these players to mine like 10,000 coins. What are we gonna get? Give me 2 elites. Come on, 2 elite trophies. Silver, gold, bronze, bronze. Elite. There we go. There we go. Silver, silver, elite. Yes, there we go. There we go. And then anything 80 or above, I'm gonna be selling. But real quickly, let's check the elites are going for in the auction house. Elite, elite collectible trophy. So what do we got here? 15,000 isn't even selling. What's sold here? 12,000. I need 12,500s. Probably what I'll be putting mine up for. But, yeah, so 12,000. Alright, alright. But that concludes the video. So thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to leave a like if you want to see more pro pack openings or pack openings.